Are you thinking about moving to Buckeye, Arizona? Well, in today's video, we are in West Buckeye in the master plan community of Tartesso. In today's video, I'll be taking you to 3 different homes in 3 different price points so that you can see what might fit your budget. If this is your first time to my channel, or if you're someone that has been following along with me but has not yet subscribed, please be sure to subscribe today and hit the bell for notifications so that you can be the first to learn about anything new that's happening here in Arizona. So where is Tartesso located? This community is a little bit remote. So some residents will say that that is a pro and other residents will say that that is a con. We are about 45 minutes west of Phoenix and the Phoenix International Airport. We are 5 miles to the I-10 freeway from here, and you are about 13 miles to the nearest grocery store, which would be located in the city of Buckeye. That's your Fry's or your Walmart. And so that's about a 20-minute drive from here. There is not a lot out here in terms of infrastructure and commercial. You are about 30 miles to Luke Air Force Base and 24 miles to the Palo Verde Nuclear Generating Station, which is also located out this way. So if you have a career that is at Luke Air Force Base or Palo Verde Generating Station, that's how long it would take you to get there. Since this is a master plan community, there are sections of this community that have been earmarked for commercial. So once there are enough residents out in this area to support retail and commercial, there will be a place for it to be built out. It just hasn't been developed yet. So Tartesso is slated to have about a 500-acre town center. However, there are no current plans right now for when that might break ground. Okay, let's head over to home number 1. So this home is very close to one of 2 elementary schools that they have here in Tartesso. It's called Desert Sunset Elementary. It's brand new. It's pre-K through 5 here in Tartesso. We are in the Saddle Mountain Unified School District here, and they also have Tartesso Elementary School. So what they do not have is a high school or a middle school here. So you would need to head about 14 miles west to the Ruth Fisher Middle School and Tonopah Valley High School if you have kids that are in the middle school or high school age range. So here we are at home number 1. This home is listed at $355,000. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. It's approximately 1,583 square feet. It's on a 7882 lot size. It was built in 2020 and obviously has a 3-car garage, which is nice, granite counters, epoxy floors in the garage, and really nice low maintenance landscaping. All right, before we head over to house number 2, our second stop, this home is close to this park right here, which is Tartesso Community Park. It's one of 2 large community parks here in Tartesso. The community park has tennis courts, beach volleyball courts, splash pads like I'm on right now, play structures, and then the other park, which is also a really large park, is their sports park. And this is where you're going to find your baseball fields, lighted basketball courts, tennis, and also those playgrounds. They also have food trucks that they stage there periodically, quite often for the community, because there are not a lot of restaurants, again, close by. So it's a great way for people to meet their neighbors. There are also 14 other little pocket parks and green belts throughout this community. There's lots of walking trails and natural washes that go all the way through this community. Also views of White Tank Mountain. house number 2. This home is $499,000. It's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, approximately 3,000 square feet. It was built in 2006. Lot size is 5,160. It's got a 2-car garage. Both AC units were replaced in 2019, and there's that are still under 400,000. So that's tough to beat in the West Valley, and yes, you may have to drive a little bit, but with interest rates the way they are, you are really trying to get into a home. Thanks for joining me today. My name is Michelle Seymour, and I am an Arizona realtor that covers the area west of Phoenix, also known as the West Valley. And I get phone calls from people just like you every day that are thinking about making the move here to Arizona. So whether you're thinking about moving in the next day, week, or even month from now, please reach out and I'd be more than happy to help. And if you would like to know more about this community or one of the homes that we covered today, please reach out, give me a call, send me a text. I'm happy to help. We can set up a private showing. Also, if this is your first time to my channel, or if you're someone that has not yet subscribed, please take a moment today and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. It helps get my videos out to people that are looking to buy their dream home here in Arizona. Until next time, thanks for joining me today.